Have you ever seen anybody dripping with money, without a partner? Hello friends. My name is Nathan. The information on this YouTube channel and the resources available, are for educational and informational purposes only. Today we are going to be exploring Make Money on YouTube without making videos, free course. You are lucky to have picked this video to watch. Today we are going to introduce you to Matt Par and his brilliant strategy plus his completely no-cost training. What if you could make money on YouTube without making videos? It sounds crazy, something called niche YouTube channels. Chances are you've probably seen tons of channels already doing this. What you probably didn't know, is that a lot of these channels could actually be making a lot of money. Basically the way it works, is that you go to some special websites, you download videos, you repurpose them to make them more valuable, and then you monetize them. Today we get to introduce you to Matt Par. Matt and his students are the people behind a lot of the big faceless YouTube channels out there. Matt personally runs over a dozen different YouTube channels, most of which he has never even shown his face. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Matt earned a gold play button, because he has been able to get over 1 million subscribers on one of his channels. But he has not even created any of the videos. He has set up multiple other channels, to gain over 100,000 subscribers, which got him multiple silver play buttons. Matt was a completely broke high school student in around 2015. At the time, he did have a YouTube channel. He would just upload backyard stunts, gaming videos with his friends and that sort of thing. He would be lucky if he had a video get 10 views. That is, until he came across a YouTube channel that went by the name of Top 5s. What was really interesting about this channel, is that they created videos without ever even showing their face, and got millions upon millions of views. Stay with us now. They used other people's videos. They did voiceovers on top of them and they made them fair use. The thing about those videos, is that they seemed so easy to make. So you know what he did? He took this cracked phone that he had at the time. He recorded voiceovers. He edited them together on his laptop, and he uploaded the videos to YouTube. After switching to this method of doing YouTube, Matt was able to get to $3,000 a month. By the time Matt was 16, he got up to $9,000 a month. Matt was fortunate to discover YouTube channels. What is absolutely incredible about niche YouTube channels, is that you can pay other people to make the videos for you. Once Matt's time was taken up with creating YouTube videos, when he got to making around $9,000 per month, he hired freelancers online to make the videos for him. He put together a content team for very cheap. Then with all this extra time, he was able to start new channels in different niches. This is how he has scaled up to making over $30,000 per month just from one single monetization source alone. If you include all of his income sources from YouTube, Matt makes over $100,000 per month. He does not love to talk about how much money that he is making from all these different sources. But Matt is making this video series for that one person out there, who is thinking about doing YouTube, or who wants to start an online business, but they just don't know where to start. Let me say that again, Matt is making this video series for that one person out there, who is thinking about doing YouTube, or who wants to start an online business, but they just don't know where to start. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Honestly, he wishes that he had this resource when he was starting on YouTube. It would have been so incredibly helpful, and he would have been able to bypass years of experience, condensed down into this video series you're watching right now. Now before he explains to you more in depth what this unique way of doing YouTube is, let him kind of paint a vivid picture for you. When most people think about doing YouTube, they think about how Matt is sitting behind a camera and recording videos. While there are a lot of pros to this method, there are also a lot of cons. First of all, you spend a bunch of money buying expensive microphones, lighting, cameras, and then you have to set up this whole studio. Then you sit there trying to come up with video ideas that you hope will get views. For most people they never do. Then you spend hours in front of a camera filming videos with countless retakes, and you have to have a good on-camera personality. Then you edit videos for hours upon hours upon hours, and then when you finally get a video up with all that hard work that you put into it, your video might not get any views. Even if it does, then you have to deal with people personally attacking you in the comments. It's great that you are joining us. Then you simply have to do this process over and over again. You might have been thinking about doing this, you might have already tried this, and you know how draining of a process this can be. Or you've seen tons of other people try to do this and fail. Now a lot of people think that when it comes to making money on YouTube without showing your face, they think that you have to steal content from other people and just re-upload it onto YouTube. That's just about the worst thing that you can possibly do. Sure, maybe you upload some videos, you get some views, but all it takes is a couple copyright strikes and your video gets taken down, and that's why a lot of people who attempt to make money on YouTube without making videos, aren't able to have real long-term success with their channels. Matt has been able to build a real long-term business with YouTube by doing this the real way. Now you might be asking Matt, what is the real way? Well, in this video series that you're watching, Matt is going to walk you through exactly what this method is. The best niches to do this in step by step, how to get started doing this, and why doing this isn't as hard as you probably think. There's a ton of benefits in doing this the real way. With niche YouTube channels, you never have to step in front of a camera and record videos. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. You never have to deal with everything that goes along with that process. You can start generating videos for completely free in the beginning, meaning that when you start making money, there is a 100% profit margin. Most importantly, when you do start making money, you can outsource the content creation. You can get other people to make the videos for you, meaning, you can make money on YouTube without making videos. Imagine you just had one niche YouTube channel, and made an extra $3,000 per month. How would that change your life? Would you be able to quit your job? We are almost finished. Imagine having multiple niche channels that are fully automated that bring you in income 24 hours of the day, and all you have to do is spend a few hours a day managing your operation. Then with the rest of your time you're free to do whatever you want. You have money coming in to pay for whatever you want to pay for in your life. The reason Matt is saying all this, is because most people don't let it sink in, how incredible niche YouTube channels are. Most people think that in order to do online business, you have to be talking with people non-stop. They think that you have to be amazing at sales, you have to have a product, and all of these things go completely out the window when it comes to niche YouTube channels. Now you might be skeptical about this. You might be asking for more information. Matt is going to give this to you, but he just wants you to imagine if you woke up every single day, having multiple niche YouTube channels bringing in consistent revenue, and think about everything else in your life that would fall into line as a result of this. If you want to wake up every single day, having multiple sources of income which can come in for decades to come, you need to now go to Matt Parr's free training. The link is at the top of the description below. For example, you would have more time to spend with what truly matters in life, like your family and friends. You'd be able to travel, complete bucket list things like, for example, he dove on a submarine to over 1,000 feet deep recently. He traveled to 5 different countries in the past month alone, and he would have never been able to do this unless he had a job that he could just take with him wherever he goes. That's the beauty of niche YouTube channels. You can literally be anywhere with an internet connection, and you can do this. This would be a game changer, right? Well, this video is the start of a completely free 6-video series that you can think of as a free course. People who have money always have a partner. I think that this video has given us a lot of information to digest. We would rather that you take advantage of Matt Parr's offer of free training. You will then have a deeper understanding with pictures and get a lot of good information from Matt. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training.